Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you the forward and reverse functions of 1 ton and 500 kilograms welding positioners. This welding positioner has the functions of smooth rotation and precise control. It can free light switch between forward and reverse according to welding requirements to ensure uniform welds and improve welding efficiency. Its strong load bearing capacity and flexible operation are suitable for welding of various round workpieces, great light reducing the labor intensity of workers. If you are interested in this device, please contact us for more information. Don't forget to like and follow us, and see you next time.